Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you why I chose this rustic sourdough bread. First of all, I looked at the ingredients. Literally, it has less than 6 ingredients. It has the unbleached organic flour, organic sourdough culture, organic apple cider vinegar, water, and sea salt. That's all it has. So this allows you to not get a big sugar spike. It has 100 calories per piece. It's so tasty. I was actually eating one, so it reminded me of sharing this with you because you gotta try this. I took a couple of bites, but you're gonna see. I toasted a little bit. It's delicious. It's so chewy. The flavor is perfect. It doesn't have any sugar added, so I love that about it. You don't feel guilty when eating it. You can throw some butter, peanut butter, anything you want, but you don't have to because it's just perfect as it is. It's delicious, and I had to share this with you before I finish the slice. And that's my point of view.